Okay, this will be the last problem. We're going to go again from grams, from grams to moles are given. In this situation is 110 grams of sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sorry. And what do we want? Well, what we want is, again, moles of hydrogen carbonate. And then from there, we need to determine first the molar mass of hydrogen carbonate. In this case, again, we have to separate all our elements, and in this case it'll be sodium, hydrogen, carbon, and oxygen. In this situation, now we have to put in parentheses how many atoms there are of each element. In the case of sodium, there is 1. In the case of hydrogen, there is also 1. In the case of carbon, there is also 1. In the case of oxygen, there are 3. Next, we have to refer to our periodic table to find the molar mass, and the molar mass of sodium is 22.990, which we're going to round off to 23. And then the molar mass of hydrogen is 1. As we look over here, it's 1. So it'll be 1, and the molar mass of carbon, I'm going to go back, oops, wrong one. Carbon, it says 12.011, and it is actually, we're going to round it off to 12. And then we're going to go for oxygen, and we have done this one before, and we're going to round it off to 16. Okay, and the next thing you have to do is multiply across. 23 times 1 is 23. 1 times 1 is 1. 12 times 1 is 12. 16 times 3 is, I believe, 48. 48. Now what you need to do next is we're going to add the masses. Underline. I'll put a plus sign. And here our total will be, let's see here, so 48 plus 12 plus 1 plus 23, I have 183. Let me double check. 23 plus 12 plus 1 plus, whoops, 23 plus 1 plus 12 plus 48. Sorry guys, I got 84. So our molar mass would be 84 grams of sodium bicarbonate per 1 mole of sodium bicarbonate. Okay, so now we got to go back and set up our problem, and the way we're going to set it up, simply just by placing whatever we want as our given. In this case, our given is going to be 110 grams of sodium bicarbonate. Okay, and then again, like this example before, we want to find the moles, so we're going to divide by the molar mass. So what we want, we're going to put it on the right, on the quadrant next to the grams, which is 1 mole of sodium bicarbonate. And all of that, oops, sorry. all of that will be divided by and the case would be divided by our molar mass, which is 84 grams of sodium bicarbonate. Okay, so now all we have to do is refer to the math, and our grams of sodium bicarbonate will cancel. We're going to end up with 110 110, and then we're going to multiply that by 1 mole of sodium bicarbonate, and we're going to divide all of that by our 84. So our answer is 110 times 1 divided by 84, which gives me 1.3095, which we're going to round to 1.31. It'll be moles of sodium bicarbonate. Okay, and there you go. And that's how you figure out question number 3.